Is it?
It is a solid, but it doesn't really sound like it should be a solid.
What? What does that mean?
I don't know.
Steam.
No, you already said that.
Steam.
Hey guys, Tom Mills here. The boys are playing.
Yes.
The boys are playing 20 questions on the way here, and Solly has stumped them all.
We're at 75 questions around now.
It's time for our monthly shopping trip, where we get our monthly shopping groceries done. This is not our weekly shopping trip. We buy our groceries, our kind of our produce, and even our meat sometimes, and more fresh stuff. And we buy at our local grocery store, bread and those types of things. This is for the stuff we get on our monthly trip.
Does that have something to do with the roads?
No.
Does that have something to do with anything? Does that have something to do with the car?
So we're doing two teams again. If you just finished watching the video with us, it's been a long day. I'm really tired. It is 7:44.
Airplane.
So we have a little bit of time before we get started. I'd like to get done in a decent hour. Asher suggested we try to see how fast we can get done going super fast. We'll see if that happens.
Oh, I know.
It's going to be one team, Asher and Judah,
That blink red lights.
and one team, Daddy and Solomon.
Okay, so tell us what it is.
No, you have to guess. You have 3 more guesses. No, wait. One more guess.
Okay.
2 more guesses.
Paint. No, it's in the sky, he said. It's in the sky.
No, I mean one guess.
A star.
No.
I already said that like 9 times.
Okay, actually, you're out of guesses.
What is
Do
it?
one guess.
Just guess like
All right, what was the answer?
It was a helicopter.
Ah, it said jet and airplane.
Didn't say helicopter.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, Sully wins.
Wait, so you saw
All right, let's go in.
Wait, so you saw a helicopter.
I parked somewhere different today. I forgot to park on the sidewalk parking lot. I guess we'll be all right.
You can't really load anything on the car. It's kind of hard. Let's hurry. It's cold out
A
here.
helicopter, like, what do you say? A helicopter is a solid, but it sounds it.
Yes, a helicopter is a solid, buddy. Anything that's made of matter is a solid.
Anything that you can.
If it's not water or gas, it's a solid. Unless it's fire, and I'm not going to confuse you with
It's
plasma.
plasma.
Oh, good job.
Asher told me. It's
It's maybe taller than that one. I don't think you've grown that much yet. Let's go. Pretty close to you guys for starting, right? Oh, I'm going to have to walk over there. Come on, Sully, let's go. Yeah, this is close too. You want to run the list? All right, let's go. What's first?
1 foot spread.
This stuff is getting expensive. All right, what's next?
1 shampoo for boys.
Wow, already? You don't have any of the other stuff? I guess not. Okay, let's go. A shampoo. Sun-ripened strawberry. I like getting the strawberry. It makes me happy. I'm going to get the strawberry. Remember that part? I only put 1. I'm going to get 2 because I hate missing them. Good job. What's next?
3 hairspray.
If they got it. You got to get here pretty early to get hairspray. I don't know why that is. I like something that smells and like it tastes good. It's either berry or coconut, water, and mango. I think that's what we're gonna get. Oh, is that apple? What is that? Sparkling pear. That'd be great if they had a big one. They don't though. I'd love to get some pear scented. I almost want to buy this one.
There's more than one.
Yeah, but I'm not going to buy a bunch of these little ones. All right, here, put it in.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying to go as fast as we can, and we need the ketchup and Parmesan cheese from here. Yeah, just grab some and let's go. Those are big ones. It's fine. I think that's the kind we normally get. We also have some of these. Let's just get 2 of the big ones because I think it's better safer than sorry. The price is $56 for the big ones. Let's go. Yeah, let's check out that price tag. Check out that price tag. Nice. It's 50 pounds. This is 25 pounds. Then get 2 of them. Did he want us to get 50 pounds or did he mistake himself? Because he said 5 pounds, then he said 50. I don't know. It looks like the kind we normally get.
So just one?
Yeah, that's what I'd say.
Yeah.
And we don't really desperately need sugar anyway, so it would be bad if we messed up. Yeah, which elbows do we get?
These elbows, I guess. 2 for 96 cents.
That's pretty good. Also, we didn't check what the sugar's price was, so hopefully Dad won't be too cross with
We'll
us.
grab it when we go back there. Alrighty, Parmesan. Here's one.
Yeah, check out that price. Nice. 330 to 47. Nice. For one Parmesan cheese. Pretty good. That's pretty good.
That's a lot. In there, 298.
But yeah,
One,
yeah, they're 298, and I grabbed 5 of them. Yeah, there we go.
3, 4, 5.
Yes. Now let's keep going.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess you have 4 of those since they're small.
And they are priced that they don't not say.
Didn't tell the price. There's no price tag. Oh yeah.
192.
Yeah, we need to get prize stuff for the prize box. Yeah. Let's go look at the prize box stuff. I'm sure glad to have a nice helper for filling the prize box. Are you really excited?
Yeah.
Let's go look at. You want to look for the little minifigure stuff that can fit in the prize box. Nope, that doesn't fit in the prize box. Come on.
It was like the noodle thing.
Yeah, that's where Daddy got them. They're really sparse here for some reason. I guess it's after Christmas, but I don't know if I want any of this stuff. What is this?
Look, kinetic sand. I love kinetic sand.
Yeah, but that's too big to fill up the whole box by itself. Minifigures are really good. Let's see if we can find some minifigures. What is this?
Look, Dad. Can I put in the slime?
Fizzle gem. Oh yeah, let's get a couple of these.
Can I put in the slime?
No, it's too big, buddy. Why don't you get a couple colors of these?
Oh, Dad, this is perfect. The squish thing.
Okay, sure. Go ahead and put it in. Okay. Why don't you get like 3? The girls will like those. So why don't you get 3 of those? Are they bath things? Or what are they? Fizzle gem.
Compound.
It's a fun new compound.
Okay. Oh, looks like slime. You can see right here.
Yeah, but it says it's a gem. Marshmallow scented.
No, it's slime.
I don't know what it is. Why don't you get
So good I can see.
Get 2 of them just in case. I don't know what they are. Go ahead and get 2.
598.
Grab the golden grams. Wait, what if there's off-brand golden grams that are a whole lot cheaper and for a whole lot more?
I don't think there is. Somebody else made it.
What about gram toasters?
They're the same price.
Oh yeah.
It looks like these are all for the same price. Actually, those are more expensive. The operas are more expensive. 5 days, 6 weeks, and this is more.
Oh man, that's weird.
Maintenance to pharmacy for test pickup, please. Maintenance to pharmacy for test pickup. Thank you.
That's been a while. $5.98 also.
Hey, also Dad, this was $2.72 for this vinegar.
$2.72, but you know. 90. $5.98.
Just why? I'll pick frosted mini spooners.
The price brings up right at probably $5.98.
Yeah. We need 6 oatmeal. Well, let's definitely get. Wait, is it 6 little ones or 6 big ones?
This is 6 oatmeal.
Okay, well,
How is?
I think like 3 of these would be enough, and then maybe 1 of these. Like we get 3 of these and then 1 of this.
Oh yeah, 4 too.
Okay, let's get this on. And these are $3.32 and $3.12. Pretty nice. But we always do run out of apples and cinnamon oatmeal. Like, oh, really fast. So I'm gonna get another one. Hopefully Dad doesn't mind.
Alrighty.
We need 2 Pop-Tarts.
Fudge. And you can pick one out.
I think we already have strawberries.
Fudge was $4.14.
I think s'mores like the next best one.
$3.94 for them s'mores. $3.94.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I just thought you might want music on this, and you might want to actually show them.
One of these poppets. Kids will like this. ASMR spinner. An ASMR experience. $10. Eden will totally pick that though. Oddly satisfying ASMR compound. Yeah, but this looks like it's too big. Doesn't ASMR
Look,
dice.
it's the things that go in water.
Orbeez? Oh yeah, sure. Get those. Put those in there. I don't know where those came from or how much they cost, but it'll fit in our prize box.
Look at bags of marbles. I love marbles.
A bag of marbles? That's a little big. Okay, sure.
Yeah. Look at it's a funny pencil finger. Look, it's ice cream toys. Oh, it's kinetic sand ice cream. Kinetic sand.
Oh yeah, cool.
There's,
Let's get one of these ASMR things. Eden will like those. Oh, those weren't the kind that she would like. She would like something a little more roundy and natural. Maybe something that's got yellow in it, because it's going to be Eden that gets it, I guarantee you. She loves ASMR stuff.
Can we get these?
Oh my gosh, why can't I get it out?
They also smell like stuff.
No, those are too big. Well, that's staying in there.
Oh, Dad, this bag is empty. The thing that I put in.
Somebody opened it up, yeah.
Looks like it's stored. Like it's in.
I think the ones with the little buttons is something she would like. I don't see, even though it's not yellow. No, that's enough of the big things. We need to get some minifigures. Boy, they are cleared out for Christmas. Oh my gosh, these are expensive. This is going to mess everybody's guesses up. Why are these so big?
But they look like these can be stitched together.
Are they all Shang-Chi things? This is like the Lego reject section.
Like, see, they can stitch up.
Paw Patrol. I don't know what that is, but we're going to get it. You see anything that's not Shang-Chi? Who wants a Shang-Chi Lego set?
What's a Shang-Chi?
Exactly. Come on.
Yeah, I think he meant like one of these.
How much is that? Yeah.
That's $6.96.
Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, they're both $2.46, and actually the cream is $2.42 because you know why not?
There's like 4 cents more of peanuts in the crunchy. Did we get the crunchy already?
Yeah. Jelly. And then those are $2. And then I like the cupcakes, you know. $3.
Yeah, look at that. $2.
You pick one out of it.
Yeah, $3. I love the cosmic brownies.
He loves cosmic brownies.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, hopefully it's the right kind. It's hard to know.
For $3.12.
Look at that, $3.12.
We really hope this is the right one.
$3.12. I can't believe.
These are only $1.97?
Those are these ponies.
What are the ponies? You're amazing. I don't know which those are. Let's get some of these small. These are only $2. Let's get a couple of these. Oh yeah, Barbie Pets. That's something we're gonna get. Is that gonna fit in our? How are we doing for? No, that's too big. We need more small stuff. The chest is pretty tiny. Hatchimals? Yeah, that sounds good. Put that in there. We need some more boy ones. I don't know where this came from, but I think we can have a Slinky. You don't like Super Mario, do you? Go ahead and get one of those dumb Shang-Chi things. See any other random? Seems to be pretty low on boys minifigures. One Lego minifigure. Oh. Okay. That'll work. I don't know what video Legos are. Alright, that's enough. Let's go back to shopping. Oh my gosh, Barbie shoes. Come on.
Those are what I was talking about.
Yeah, they need to be on there too. Alright. I'm tired of buying expensive markers because they just get dried out anyways. There's no black in these. Oh, that one's got black. Oh yeah, the glitter's a mess. Let's not worry about the glitter. No, small markers don't work because they don't hold very much ink. I guess the Crayola ones, I don't see any of that. I guess these ones have some black. Maybe I just get a couple of these.
Look, this one has black.
Yeah, that's just too many crayon markers. Although, if we had them in a big container, would they get more lost? Or, oh, that's not a big container. Forget that. All right, let's go. Okay, Solly, you can pick out whatever shoes you'd like. It'd be a good idea probably if they're Velcro or not tie, so you don't have to worry about tying them. You're size 5, so which ones do you like? You got some blue ones, silver, red. These are kind of cool. They look a little different.
You didn't say that they're size 3 right there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. You find which kind of color do you look at the color first, and we'll try to find some in the size you like. These neat. Oh, these are ones you got to tie. You like those ones?
The ones that don't really have any Velcro on.
Here's some 5s of those. Why don't you try them on? Stand up in them. Walk around a little bit. Sound like it's okay? You don't put the other one on. It's just the one. It's fine. You can walk around with just the one shoe.
They're kind of weird.
Well, it's gonna feel weird because it's a new shoe, but oh, you know what? Your toe is. You might need a 6, buddy. Growing boy. Let's try these ones. Take those ones back off and give those to me. Perfect. Try those ones. Oops. Stay on there. You can try them both on. Those ones feel better?
Yeah.
Are you in a side? Oh, they're. Oh, I see. Because there's not paper in there, is there? No. Let's see.
I light up.
Oh, I think you're all right. I don't think these actually light up, so someone stuffed that in there. I think those are good. Let's put them in the cart. They're $16.
I'm going to mark up shoes.
What's next?
We got the markers. So we need 1 sour cream.
All right, time to the food.
Food section. I love the food section.
All right.
Here it is. $1.12 for some fettuccine.
5.
3. 4, 5. 4 of these, they're at $7.98. $7.98. This one looks pretty good. These at $9.96. Yeah, 3 of those at $9.96. These at $9.96. Or 2 of the white corn. That's original. Get that one. That's too bad. There's only one. $5.74. I'm sorry, Dad, but there's only one left. I'm sorry, Dad. It's $4 less for that one, but you get a lot more chips. It's 42 bags, 28 bags. This is $4 more. This is good. And guess what?
Oh, there's also these ones here.
Oh, that's the kind we normally get. We needed 6. How many? Oh yes, we needed 6. So let's just grab this whole thing. My fingers aren't strong enough.
At 128.
Price.
Like nobody here. It's totally dead.
Non-fat.
I better check the date. Those yogurts we got were really super bad.
Greek yogurt.
January 2022. Okay, that'll do. I happen to know that these frozen ones are actually old. What's the date on them? Why would they not have the date on this? They have on individual box packages.
There's cool cotton candy on that.
I don't think you guys haven't liked the cotton candy ones. Why do they not have the date on the box, but they have them on the individual things? That's so cheesy.
Yeah, can I get this one? I love it, raspberry and cherry. Can I get this one? I love raspberry and cherry yogurt right here.
Sure, put them in. It's so funny they don't have the dates on these. You gotta wait till you open them to find out the date, I guess. Let's get one more. About berry and cherry. I don't know if it'll get eaten or not. Let's just get the last SpongeBob one. Here, put those in, sweet boy. 64 cents. Sure, a little bit. I can't believe that's actually correct. I don't know how much these are. How much am I gonna get? I'll get 1. It's so cheap, and I love it so much. Hannah really likes it. Whatever I have is she drinks most of it. No, she doesn't. She drinks a lot of it anyway. I gotta put it on the list. Okay. $3.56. Bring the card over, bud. We need 6 red and 1 blue. 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6. 1 blue. Okay. What's next? That seems really cheap. $1.74 for Lunchables. Isn't that cheap? I think it is. And these are the kind we like. Let's see. How many? Let's just get 9, I guess, and we'll have it an easy lunch for some day when we need to on the go or something. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nachos, cheese dip, and salsa.
Would you guys probably would. You like the chip and the cheese, but you probably wouldn't like the salsa. Would you eat those?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't think you would, so I'm not getting them.
We could have.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
We could put some.
7, 8. Then you'd eat it. If we got to add stuff to the Lunchables, that kind of defeats the purpose.
I want to try the cheese.
You want to try the cheese? It's like the nacho cheese sauce. Okay, I want to get stuff for our New Year's Eve party. We have pepperoni here.
Pepperoni.
Do I need 2 of them? Or do we want to get our own crackers and make our own tray? I think I get 1 of them, and I already have Ritz crackers at home and pepperonis. So I could bring a little bit and refill this. So all they wanted some lemonade. So lemonade it is. Oh, sorry, bud. Let's get a couple. Oh, there's a grape juice. I can't bring myself bring grape juice. I can't stand the taste of it. But it's not in the communion cup. We still have a decent amount of other juices. If they have something weird, let's get it. Otherwise, I think we're good. Okay, mark that off.
So this is at 2, so 5 of these then. They're out of the normal cans of tomato too.
can find these ones at 143. One. At 350. There. 288.
In case Judo was lying, that's the price. So you just needed 2?
Yeah. These, there's no price.
We actually have the ones we need this time.
Dang.
We get, what the heck is $1? Easy fries? What are easy fries? These ones. No, we want to get the big thing of fast food fries.
These ones.
$3.12. Yeah, no, we don't need those. Come on. We got the fries. There's pork. Those look bad. They just so happen to not have butter again. This is the Land Lakes. Let's just get that. And we need a bunch of them. So let's get 1, 2. No, those ones are not the right kind. We need to get 8 of them. We got 10 on there, but I think we're just going to get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rich people butter.
Rich people butter. Oh yeah, the Kerrygold. We get that sometimes.
Rich people butter and normal people butter.
Yeah. 8. All right, we got the butter. Let's get 1 bacon. I know I didn't have it on the list, but let's get it anyways. They have a whole bunch of grape ones. Well, thank goodness.
The whole thing is basically grape.
Thank goodness. Let's get 4 of these bigger ones. Wait, hold on. 10, 10. Why are these landscape and these ones are not landscape? One of them is new and getting discontinued. August 16th, 2022. August 16, 2022. Well, that doesn't make sense. Oh no, this one is. Oh, I see. One thing is landscape and one thing is. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. And 4 Uncrustables. Yeah, they didn't have enough, did they? Okay, what's next?
1 bread roll.
1 bread rolls. That must be the list. We got this in good order this time. I didn't print it out the right list. Bread rolls are usually right here. Maybe they're 1 row over.
Can I get the chocolate pie?
We don't need another chocolate pie. I think our apple slicer could use an upgrade. It's easier to do. Yeah, we don't need those. We got plenty of waffles at home that you guys still haven't eaten.
Waffles?
Yeah, the frozen waffles, the chocolate chip waffles. Forgot about the waffles. I knew you did. We're gonna get 1 thing of the Texas rolls. Those are cinnamon. Those aren't Texas rolls. Here we are. 423. I think those are right. Let's get these smaller packs so they don't get opened up and then they get messed up. Let's just get, I don't know, 3 of them.
Is there any apple?
We still have some you guys haven't eaten. You like the apple ones?
Yeah.
Sure, see if you can find an apple one in there. I don't think I see any, bud.
Maybe there's some at the top.
Cream cheese strawberry. Cream cheese strawberry. Cream cheese strawberry. That's all they got is cream cheese strawberry. Sorry, bud. They don't have any. Come on.
Okay, let's just get 2 just to be safe. Hopefully these are the right ones. And I don't know how much they are. Oh yeah, never mind.
They're another kind.
Wow.
Nope.
We got that kind.
You got that kind.
And there's no price or something.
Or something. Alright, let's go.
There's a spray bottle here, and Dad said something about getting a spray bottle. Maybe we should like get one for him or something and go give it to him.
Let's go ask him.
No, this one's cooler.
Yeah, but this is the kind we have.
Oh, no one cares what kind we have. This is $3. Hopefully Dad wants this, and then we don't have to put it back.
I'm gonna get some of that mochi stuff. Strawberry and coconut. Yep, 4 of those. Two and 4. Let's get a Sprite. Asher likes Sprite. Asher helps out a lot. I'm happy to get him something he likes.
There's a Mountain Dew thing here.
Oh, that was not nice of somebody, huh?
Somebody stole it and drank it and put it there.
Oh my goodness, that'd be terrible. You see root beer?
I got some over here.
Here, we're gonna get a 12 pack. Here's what we want, right here. Sime, oh, you guys are going fast. We're going pretty fast too.
We're gonna wait for you.
Yeah, okay, we'll be right there.
I got it.
2, 3.
You need 1 ranchero cheese.
Ranchero cheese, okay. Great.
Did you get a price on
Maybe
that?
we should get a couple of these.
Yes, it was $3.
$3.
Also, we did prize box stuff.
I got prize box stuff.
Wait, Dad, take a video of him taking video.
Video inception. They got the powder. We're getting the regular one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how much these are. They're not marked. 2 shredded cheese. Right, none of these prices are marked. They don't have any pepperoni. We're not in dire need for pepperoni. What else is next? Oh, bologna, if they had some. Oh, they have some? Bologna. No, I need beef bologna. The thick cut beef bologna, which they again don't have. No. The thick cut has the little red strings on it. Maybe they stopped getting it. There's beef bologna there, but they don't have the thick cut kind. I'm just gonna wait until they got the good stuff. All right, what's next? I do need to get some more ham. I've been eating ham. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We don't have any. Let's get some. Oh, I still have a thing of ham. Never mind. What else is next?
I'm at Wonder Still Pods.
Okay. And then we need some fabric softener. 2 of those. Are you squishing them? What's left, Solly? Is that it?
2 fabric softeners.
I got those.
And 1 gallon bags. And 1 sandwich bags.
Did you guys get the gallon bags and sandwich bags and stuff?
No.
No, okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here and practice it. Like, here's a clear multiple.
We already got played.
You were here. You did go in this aisle then.
Yeah, we just stopped right here.
Okay.
No, but is this the card that you ran into my heel with? Because you can see where you're done. There's your ran into my heel.
So then you didn't get the gallon bags that were down here in this aisle?
No.
Okay. I guess it was just out of order. Did you get the paper towels?
Yeah.
Did you get the triples or whatever?
I got the doubles.
No, the triples is more.
I don't understand. How can less be more?
Look at outside.
You can go off this encrypted code about some sort of 30 regular rolls. So the doubles are only 24 regular rolls. So these triples are more. So
I told you, Judah. I told him that these are the wrong ones, but he didn't listen.
Yeah, whatever. You guys are all just a bunch of.
gallon bags. We need some of the sandwich bags that are not Disney.
These are the reptile gloves.
You mean not cars?
Yeah, not card. What did I say? Disney. Well, I mean, I guess the Pixar isn't Disney. I'll probably get crucified for that. Those are quart. Oh, sandwich bags. We don't necessarily need double zippers. Zipper bags. Those are the colors. I don't know if we need those either. What are fold top bags? We don't want those. We want zipper bags. I don't want double zipper bags.
Did you get laundry
I guess whatever.
Did you get laundry soap? Did you get laundry soap?
Yes, I did. Got laundry soap. And then what's next? Oh, we need the kitchen trash bags. We got those. We just need some kitchen trash bags. Yep, I'm getting that right now. Okay. 612. Is that the last thing?
Yeah.
And then we gotta go get chips. That's something we want to go get together.
Chips.
I think you like those the best, don't you?
I love the yellow red chips.
Oh, why don't you get 2 of those? Or 2, maybe 3 actually. So we have enough for all 4 Taco Tuesday nights. Okay. 3.
We got the ones that are off brand, and then we also got the Ragu. We didn't know if it was the right one. But
So they didn't have tomato soup. Why did we have a hard time getting tomato soup?
they also didn't really have any Ragu sauce that we needed, so we got a different one. I don't know where they put it.
These are my all-time favorite chips. We got to get some stuff for the party on New Year's Eve. We're done, guys. Let's go. Okay.
I'm checking how much money I have so I can buy you a present.
They are good. What?
I'm checking how much money I have so I can buy you a present.
Oh, buddy, I don't need to go me a present, okay?
You do.
No. I'll buy you a present. How about I get you a pop?
This is on $8 with the Reese's
I
idea.
want to give
For
you a
$2.
present too.
Even up
Okay.
front. Even up front. It's like $6 for $2. So what would you want to hang on? All right, Nate.
I'm gonna get 2 English muffins. Next to snacks, you can write English muffins, maybe, or I'll write it on there. Let's get out of here. You guys can get a drink, okay? Everybody can get a drink. I don't know if it was actually getting all that from on the conveyor. I think we forgot.
They call this card that has really anything in it.
Thank you. You got enough?
Yep.
Okay, all right, good. Good job, bud.
Hey, Dad.
You can buy that for Daddy. Oh, thank you, buddy. I love you. Oh man, you rebel blocking the fire exit. All right, come on, let's go. Oh, I'm so hot. Oh, I'm so cold.
Yeah, we did like, get like a unloader it. You put the car in like a semi truck going backwards into a building, and then
Just unloads everything.
yeah.
Sally, why don't you get in? It's kind of cold.
Man, I wish I was little.
You were little once.
No, when we did shopping.
Yeah, we did shopping when you were little, I promise.
Oh, yeah,
It was just me, it was just mommy most of the time, and then me and mommy towards the end.
yeah, but it
The
wasn't
end.
like a huge thing. Like,
The
you guys
end.
like 10 bags max.
I don't like saying that.
It's so cold. It's 0 degrees.
Is that what it says, 0?
Yeah.
0 degrees Fahrenheit.
There are no degrees outside right now.
I haven't seen any degrees.
5 degrees, Dad.
5 degrees?
And starting to slow
Oh,
down.
that's a heat wave. Oh my goodness.
Earlier going 0.
It's warmed up. Remember, Article 5 of the Shotgun Constitution. No, hereby nobody calls shotgun until the clink of the cart. I'm gonna say the last cart. Rock, paper, scissors, Article 6.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I got him!
I still have a ticket. I have a ticket. And it's the last day.
You're gonna use your ticket? Oh, you're gonna use a family choice ticket?
We're all on a privilege, technically.
No, I didn't give, that's gonna give you guys family choice tickets.
But you know what? I don't really want to.
Alright. Okay, we'll have to wait till we see the tape. I think that was faster than normal. You guys think that was faster?
Yeah, because it's not 11 o'clock when we haven't had
I think we're doing all right. It's 9:14. It's 5 degrees outside. Today's total was 778.65. What's going on back there? You're trying to steal his spot?
Cleaned it with the pencil.
You cleaned it after he's done here.
No.
Oh, well, it went pretty good. I think it went pretty fast.
It's funny to go on shotgun to see, then I should took my spot.
Ah, well. Okay, how'd you have fun, Solly? You guys did a good job. It looks like you got all the right stuff. I'm really happy. We did pretty good.
There's no blood in my hand.
It is pretty cool. Oh, this is the receipt for the candy Solomon bought me.
There's no blood in my hand. That's funny. We're only 15 minutes past my...
Your estimate?
Yeah.
That's pretty good considering we last 15 minutes late. So I guess we'll see how it is. I feel like it was pretty fast. I guess let's get home and get things put away. I don't know if it was recording when I was putting stuff on the conveyor belt. It looked like the camera was off, so if I missed that, sorry about that. All right, let's get home.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I know who it is now. You should know what it is too, Judah.
I don't.
French dictator.
I have no idea who freaking what is French. Let's see. You got blank, blank, blank. I don't know.
I got you know, it's like...
Gosh.
Ah. It's so dumb.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so then right
All right, let's get out of here. Come on, guys. Yeah.
I don't know. There's a lot of red-haired teenagers.
Hi, sweet girl. Hi, girl.
No. How many seconds are normal, Daddy?
where I normally see it.
Oh yeah, it's by the toilet or the toilet paper.
Oh, that's why we got another
And
one
then there's
today.
another
We
one by
didn't
the
need
toilet
it.
paper.
He's smiling. Look at him smiling. So happy.
Oh, leave the cat alone.
Like the look, he's like this. He's like. Cat's gonna be on the table. As soon as he like.
No, he can't be on the table.
No. I never grab his scruff. It always feels so weird. Like I feel like there's so much weight on me.
Yeah, I always was like confused if I was gonna hurt him or something, but you know, like grab it anywhere there, like you can pretty much grab him like right
That's how
here.
the mommies carry the cat. They carry him by the back of the neck.
So is there any other animals like that?
I don't do it, man.
Probably puppies too, really. What?
3. Here's 1.
Okay, there's 3 downstairs,
Well, there's 2 downstairs.
and this is the 3rd.
I'm missing one.
So there's another one somewhere that I had in a bag.
Well, 3.
I loaded
could
3 into the
be-
freezer.
Where was this one, Eden?
It's in the freezer.
Could you
In the freezer or by the trash can?
just go verify that there still are 3 somewhere and there's not some chicken thawing out, Asher?
Yeah.
There might be another one in the freezer.
Another day done.